Hey guys, welcome back to another one of our Nothing But Crafting videos. Today we're going to do part 2 of the nursery video. Because we're still in the lockdown mode, I can't go over to Leslie's house to decorate the room. So therefore I'm thinking of doing a poster for Esme's room and hanging it above the changing table. So I was thinking of drawing Esme with flowers, and hopefully it'll turn out nice. And then from there, on a later day when the lockdown is gone, I can go over and hang it up. So yeah, wish me luck. So I first started by painting pink flowers for the letter E. And then I painted blue flowers for the letter S. For the letter M, I decided to paint little pink roses, or beige in color at least. And for the letter E, I painted sunflowers. I then added leaves on all 4 letters. I was going for a very subtle vibe in the Esme poster, so I stick to the more pastel colors. I then added the finishing touches to the letters. So I like to do this thing where I add shadows to each letter, so it shows that the letter is popping out of the poster. And last but not least, I added borders to each letter so that it'll be more distinct and obvious, and the shadows will have a more prominent look. And that's it, we're done. This is our Esme poster. And I think it turned out pretty well. Now that I'm done with the poster, I'm thinking of doing a little bit more. So Leslie mentioned to me that she wanted to have milestone cards for her baby. So when the baby turns 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, they'll be able to take photos with the cards. So I've decided to make tiny cards, which will be 1 to 11 months. And then for the 12th month, which is 1 year old, I'm thinking of doing something bigger another day. But for now, it'll just be 1 to 11 months. Yep. Today we're going to focus on 3 designs, and we'll repeat those 3 designs throughout the 11 months. So for the first design, we're doing some leaf wreaths. Relatively simple in the sense where you just paint leaves on the side of the card and then put "Today I am 1 month old." So I decided to take a break. During this break, I'm going to eat my pavlova. I made this yesterday, so I can't wait to eat it. So I made my pavlova with whipped cream and kiwi sauce and grapes. I kind of wish there was a little bit more color in it, but I ate all my strawberries yesterday when I was eating the rest of the pavlova. So yeah, this is sweet green grapes and I'm excited. So I'll eat it and I'll see you in a bit. The design for the second month is pretty similar to Esme's nursery wall painting. So all I had to do was paint blue for the blue sky. It was using wet on wet technique, and then after that I painted the trees. similar to the Esme's nursery painting, we started with the lighter trees and we got darker as it comes nearer to us. I really like this card design because I feel like it ties in with the mural we painted in the previous video. And then I ended with today I am 2 months old. As for our third design, which is the third month, we painted roses for the background. After that, we added some leaves. And then added, today I am 3 months old. We then add shadows to the number 3 so that it would tie in with Esme's poster and all the previous cards we made earlier. So that's it, we're done. And so, this is our milestone cards for Baby Esme from 1 to 11 months. So that's it for today. I think the poster and the milestone cards turned out pretty well. The flowery and the forest background matches the accent wall we painted in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, check that out. But yeah, I had a good time painting it and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do enjoy, please comment down below and tell us what you think. Or if you have any other ideas we could put into the nursery, please do comment down below. Other than that, the usual, like and subscribe, and we're trying to aim for 1,000 subscribers, so help us out and help us reach the milestone. Thank you, bye bye.